Hello, welcome back to WinFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. For a couple of 5 days now, I haven't uploaded the content. I've been doing some background analysis of the market to discover the hidden laws that controls the financial market. Okay. Um, Actually, these laws will be made explicit and fully explained in my courses. I have a number of courses ranging from Forex, synthetic to binary courses. You can check down the description of this video to see the list, okay? So, uh, the actual meaning of these laws and how to apply them in order to succeed in the Forex market will be made available in those courses. I will just read them out. But if you really want to use them, if you really want to know how they are going to be, utilized, then you have to enroll for the courses. Each course have these laws as a topic. It has these laws as a topic. Um, so you can see if I read two, we have zoom or loop break law, swing interaction law, hot spot law, path law, territorial law. Okay, we have a territorial law here. We have multi-path law. Okay, multi-path law, price displacement proportion law, price displacement proportion law. We have a comparison law. We have property/reversibility law. We have path differential loop signal. We have path differential loop signal. We have swing interaction universal discourse law. Swing interaction universal discourse law. Okay. We have stability law. We have retracement law. We have change of character law. We have turning point strength analysis law. Okay. We have a measure closest law, put higher, smaller time frame. We have forward path / immediate path law. We have end path law. We have limit of temporary distribution trend in a strong forward trend law. We have chain reaction law. We have energy law. We have breaking level law. We have compression and expansion law. You see, with these laws in your psychology, in your mindset as a trader, and then coupled with technical skills and fundamental skills, you can go far, much more farther than any other person. I'll just give you one highlight. I'll just touch the forward path or immediate path law. I'll just touch it so that you see the power of these laws. Okay, I'm going to go to the MT5 and show you some things. Okay, this is a real account. You can see BTC. Okay, I bought 20 last side, and you can see GBP USD. Okay, I bought 0.5 last size per position yesterday. The market has closed today. Is Saturday. The market has closed on the forex space. All the cryptocurrency is available and synthetics. So I will show you one example on forex and then on synthetic, so that you know the power of WFX synthetic forex laws. Okay. I will start with what is happening right on GBP USD. Why is this? Why is he buying? Why is he buying? For what reason is he buying? Okay. So let me show you some things here. I'm not supposed to expose this, but that is to tell you why you should enroll for the courses or even join our VIP signal channels, because not everybody that is watch YouTube videos will actually apply it correctly. Most of those videos are not competent enough to put you among the 1% forest synthetic winners. All you need to do is to be more proactive and practical, and that what means is you have to take action. Buy VIP signal channels and subscribe to VIP signal channels, or you also enroll for our courses, or you can do both. Okay, you see, this is what you call forward path or immediate path. This is what you call forward path. Okay, based on the forward path law, the forward path law states that when candlesticks are creating along a particular current path, every other path is dead. And whatever direction, whether continuity or reversibility of price action, is going to be subject to the properties of this forward path. In other words, some traders will be losing because they are monitoring this dead path or reverse path or maybe another forward path in the past, and they will be saying, oh, we're gonna sell GBP USD maybe somewhere here. And you see all the sales keep losing simply because the property of forward path is a buy property. Are you getting it? You see, coupled with technical analysis, you discover that this market keep responding. It keep responding to the structures that it break, to the order blocks that it break. It keep responding. Okay, it keep responding. Even by tomorrow, there is probability that if someone that buy within this area will still make profit. Well, a lot of people are desperate to actually sell in the market, maybe simply because it's reacting to some sell loop or sell zones in the past. That is not the truth. Okay, this is just a kind of 1% of WFX loss on synthetic and forex market. Let's open synthetic and you see some of these effects. Okay, now this is synthetic market. Let's use volatility 251s. I think it will be much more better to use this asset because it's very, very lucrative and volatile, and a lot of people are trading it in a wrong manner without understanding what is happening. Okay, now based on the forward path law or immediate law, if I want to synthesize the signal, I'm not going to synthesize the signal with respect to any other parts, with respect to any other passing history. No, I don't need passing history to generate the signal because signals that are generated by past history have a 90 to 100% probability of losing. The futuristic direction of price is subject to the current path. What is making you lose money, what is making price go where it wants to go, is a property of the current path, not the past, not the past history. I'm telling you the truth. Okay. Now watch what this asset is doing in real time. Okay. So now the theory is that part that contain that data point of price or that price line. What I mean by price line is this line. That part, the part that contains it is actually this part, not this. Okay. The part that contains is this. So this is our current part, right? If this is our current part, it has 100%, like it have 80 to 100% probability of giving us the best signal ever. So I think one of the key idea is to shift the chart towards the left if it is possible. If it's not possible, then in your mindset, in your psychology, you have to assume, not even assume, you have to uh, um, conclude that every other part in the past are dead apart from the current part that is live. Okay, so when you have this, when you have made this calculation, you will discover that you wouldn't have missed this signal here. That is a signal here. How? Using technical analysis, which is structure or order block, you discover that this area was broken, then extended to the secondary area. We have primary area and secondary area. So you won't understand until you pass through the course. So now, this is H1, okay? I'm not going to any other time frame to do my risk management, but the truth is that inside this zone, we have high level probability of getting entries, 80 to 100% probability of having profitable entries, sniper entries. So we notice there is a reaction near the bottom boundary of this zone, though the price have a little margin to react to it, but we can still manage it, and then I can place my stop loss above the zone. So I can risk about 5,000 pip just to continue in the current path to infinity. Like this current path has ability to go to infinity. Yes, that is another theory, another law, infinity law. The current path has probability to go to infinity. Okay, it's a law. In other words, I can decide to trade my stop loss. My like as the price keep moving in my favor, I can trade my stop loss into this area. Maybe after closing some position, believing that the price will go to infinity in my favor. Okay, so you can see it's happening. So if price react to this level, because technically this is another block, if price come back to this level, I will definitely uh continue the movement because this is the current part. But I have to know that the behavior of the price in the next order block will determine if I will hold the trade or not. If they fail to break this order block where it has reversed, because it hasn't actually reversed, but if it reversed there, if they fail to break it, then you know you have to close that trade. Okay. This is just 1% of the WFX synthetic forex laws. Okay. Uh, if you really want to change your life, make sure you enroll for my courses, any of my courses, and or join the VIP Signal channel. Thank you. Bye for now.